Okay, so it looks like what we got here are some lemons. Now you're asking, why do I need a video on how to cut a lemon? Check this out. I have two, so I can show you. Not the prettiest lemons, but it doesn't matter. You always want to cut a lemon down the middle. You don't ever want to cut it across. I'll show you why. When you cut a lemon across, you get all that little lemon cartilage there. And if you even cut it in slices there, guess what you're still getting? Lemon cartilage. But, and this is good for people who like to mix it with drinks or just even like squirt it on tacos and stuff. If you cut it down the middle, take a look at the difference right there. You got the one with the cartilage there and you got one without it, right? Now when you go to cut it, check this out. Now look at the beautiful slices you have. See? Not bad. So, hope this helped. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.